Solo Learn. Learn playing, play learning. Solo Learn is an innovative learning platform specifically customized for your mobile phone. With Solo Learn, you can learn about programming, web design, photography, and many other topics. Additional courses are continuously being developed by our experts. We've combined the latest online content with specifically designed interactive checkpoints to ensure results. Listen to carefully selected YouTube videos on various topics and check your knowledge with entertaining exercises, quizzes, and review questions. Learning with Solo Learn is fun. Collect points and compete against other learners around the world. Become a member of our community and continue to practice and strive for the best results. With Solo Learn, learning is interactive, enjoyable, and easier than ever. Join our community today to take advantage of these benefits. Solo Learn. Learn playing, play learning.